Hi, welcome back to Simplify Learning. In this video, we're going to talk about some of the most popular business intelligence tools. The most popular business intelligence tools are Tableau, Power BI, and QlikView. These tools are widely used in the industry to analyze and visualize data, and we're going to explore their features and benefits. Let's get started. Tableau is a powerful business intelligence tool that allows you to create interactive and visually appealing dashboards. With Tableau, you can connect to a variety of data sources, including spreadsheets, databases, and cloud services. You can drag and drop your data to create charts, graphs, and maps, and you can filter and sort your data with ease. Tableau's real strength lies in its ability to create interactive dashboards that allow users to explore data on their own. In future videos, we will explore Tableau's data connection capabilities in more detail. We'll show you how to connect to a variety of data sources, including databases, cloud services, and spreadsheets. We'll also discuss some best practices for data preparation to ensure that your data is clean and ready to be analyzed in Tableau. Another area we'll cover in future videos is creating interactive dashboards in Tableau. We'll show you how to use Tableau's drag-and-drop functionality to create stunning visualizations that can help you gain insights into your data. We'll also discuss how to use filters, groups, and sets to create more advanced dashboards that allow users to interact with the data in meaningful ways. Tableau also has powerful calculation capabilities, and we'll discuss those in future videos as well. We'll show you how to create calculated fields and use Tableau's functions to perform complex calculations on your data. We'll also explore Tableau's ability to blend data from different sources, allowing you to analyze data from multiple perspectives. Power BI is another popular business intelligence tool that is part of the Microsoft suite of products. Like Tableau, Power BI allows you to connect to a variety of data sources and create interactive dashboards. However, Power BI also has some unique features, such as its natural language query capabilities. With Power BI, you can ask questions in plain English and the tool will generate charts and visualizations based on your query. In future videos, we will explore Power BI's data modeling and preparation capabilities in more detail. We'll show you how to create data models and relationships to ensure that your data is clean and ready for analysis. We'll also discuss how to use Power Query to transform and prepare your data before you bring it into Power BI. Another area we'll cover in future videos is creating interactive dashboards and visualizations in Power BI. We'll show you how to use Power BI's drag-and-drop functionality to create stunning visualizations that can help you gain insights into your data. We'll also discuss how to use filters, slicers, and drill-throughs to create more advanced dashboards that allow users to interact with the data in meaningful ways. Power BI also has a powerful natural language query function, and we'll discuss that in future videos as well. We'll show you how to use plain English to ask questions about your data, and how to use Power BI's queue and a feature to receive answers in the form of data visualizations. QlikView is a business intelligence tool that focuses on data discovery and analysis. QlikView's main strength lies in its ability to combine multiple data sources into a single dashboard, allowing you to analyze data from different perspectives. QlikView also has powerful data visualization capabilities and allows you to create interactive dashboards that can be shared with others. In future videos, we will explore QlikView's data discovery and visualization capabilities in more detail. We'll show you how to create data models, load data from multiple sources, and create powerful data visualizations that help you gain insights into your data. We'll also discuss how to use QlikView's unique associative model to explore data relationships in real time. Another area we'll cover in future videos is creating interactive dashboards in QlikView. We'll show you how to use QlikView's drag-and-drop functionality to create stunning visualizations that can help you gain insights into your data. We'll also discuss how to use filters, groups, and sets to create more advanced dashboards that allow users to interact with the data in meaningful ways. QlikView also has powerful data analytics and exploration capabilities, and we'll discuss those in future videos as well. We'll show you how to create calculations and expressions that can be used to analyze your data in new ways. We'll also explore QlikView's ability to drill down into data to gain deeper insights and explore data relationships. So, which tool is the best for your business? Well, it depends on your specific needs and requirements. Tableau is great for creating visually appealing dashboards. Power BI has strong integration with other Microsoft products, and QlikView is focused on data discovery and analysis. All three tools have their unique strengths and benefits, and the best tool for your business will depend on your specific use case. That's it for today's video on business intelligence tools. We hope this video has given you a good overview of Tableau, Power BI, and QlikView. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comments section below. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more educational content on business analytics. Thanks for watching.